Time remaining 3. Flaps up. The gear is coming down.
Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, going to take up 1600mm F4U Corsair from Flightline, and Motion RC is the one that sells it. Going to take it up and have some fun. Flying my high rates. Timer set for 8.5 minutes. Don't know if we'll fly the full time, but haven't had this old Corsair out in a while, so time to get her up. Got a 7-channel Limon RX Gen 2 receiver in there, and a 5100, well, it's a 5900 SMC pack, but I have it charged at a regular LiPo rate, so that makes it a 5100 5000, and I've got it as far forward as I can possibly get it, because that's what you want with this one. You want to get as far forward. That's CG is so easy with this one. Just put your 5000 as far forward as you can make it and run with it. All right.
Timer reset.
All right, time for a little WARBIRD action. Remember, get up off that wheel and steer your plane.
The gear is going up.
They rotate up 9 degrees. And I know I have the decals on the wrong side. I realized that after I'd done it.
Time remaining 8 minutes.
She's just as happy inverted as she is right side up. No elevator input needed. That tells me that my CG is perfect. All right, I'm gonna bring her right at us. Da 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 da. Beautiful plane.
The gear is coming down. Landing flap. Time flaps up.
All right, see if we can't get a little touch and go here.
The gear is going up.
Take it out. Take it up again. Recover. She will snap roll.
The gear is coming down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Hold on.
Flaps up.
I don't like it. I'm gonna go around. You don't like it, go around. All right. Beautiful WARBIRD. In case I didn't say it earlier, this is my WARBIRD Wednesday feature. Alright, I'm going to take off no flaps this time. Remember, drive your tail, get up on that tail, drive your plane.
The gear is going up.
Take it up, 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 up. Kill it.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Man, what a beautiful flying plane. Easy.
The gear is coming down.
Easy flyer too. Not hard at all. If you have any WARBIRD experience at all, you're going to love this one. It's not a new model anymore. That was lousy. Gabriel, can I get you to back up some, please?
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Little touch and go, kind of a sloppy one though.
The gear is going up.
All right.
Landing flaps.
Do a nice slow pass. Just the flaps down. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Well, so locked in.
Flaps up.
Let's do that again. Get a little bit lower this time though.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3. Flaps up. The gear is coming down.
All right, let's go ahead and land her. Oh, I can do better than that. I gotta take that up. I can't leave it like that. I gotta do better than that. I just realized how dusty she is. Get on my center line there.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
A little bit better. I'm going to take it though. Not my best landings. Wind is very unpredictable today. It starts, it stops, it starts, it stops. No excuse. I should be, as a pilot, RC pilot, I should be reading that. What a big, beautiful prop here. All right. Go over our rates. Pretty simple stuff. Just like I said, I have 1.5 minutes left on an 8.5 minute timer, so we flew for a good 6 minutes, or solid 6 minutes.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
My flap system is no mix. Flaps up are a -100. Takeoff are a -30. Landing is a +50 with no mix needed. Flaps. My flying rates are very simple. Let me make sure they're all the same. I think they are. Yes, they are. 100% throws, 30% expo on everything. All right. Very, very simple. All right. Had a 1.5 minutes left on 8.5 minutes, so 6 minutes flying, like I just said. Prop is off. Gabriel, I want to show you. The best way to get CG with this plane is real simple. I don't even have to check the CG and show it to you. All you do is you put your 5,000 as far forward as you can get it, and there's a bulkhead there that will keep you from putting your battery up against the motor. But you just put that in there as far as you can get it, and you've got perfect CG. Now, we flew for 6 minutes. The plane does have thrust reverse. That's what that yellow wire is for, but I don't have it engaged, just so you're aware. Or I don't have it programmed anyways. I have it plugged in, but I'm not using it. And we got 48%, so 38, 383, 386, 385, 386, 386, 382. 48% left on the battery. So could have flown the full 8.5 minutes, no problem. Is she the fastest Corsair you can buy? No. Is she one of the best flying Corsairs you can buy? I'd have to say yes. I've had most of them. I had the big 1700 FMS one, but they didn't put enough glue in the retracts, and the retracts fell out on the maiden, and FMS agreed with me and took the plane back and gave me a full refund on it. This is a beautiful plane, folks. It looks good, it flies good, and yeah, she's what, about $450. I want to say $450. Whatever the price was when she was new, that's what I paid, because Motion RC doesn't sponsor planes to anybody. God bless y'all. Thank you for filming, Gabriel. Jesus is Lord, and that is the Corsair. And this is my WARBIRD Wednesday feature. Y'all have a good one. God bless you, and bye bye.